Most people still spend hours doing work that AI can finish in minutes. With these tools, you can save time, increase productivity, and even create new ways to earn online. One of the best free AI tools to start with is ChatGPT. You open the tool and type a clear instruction. Within seconds, it creates a full draft. Small businesses also use it to answer customer questions and create marketing content without hiring extra staff. A student can create a presentation that looks professional without learning complex design software. Video creation usually takes a lot of time. Editing, adding clips, and placing subtitles can be difficult for beginners. With this tool, the process becomes simple. You paste your script into the platform. The AI reads the script and selects matching video clips automatically. It also adds subtitles and background music. This allows people to create YouTube videos or marketing content without learning video editing. Another impressive free AI tool is ElevenLabs. This tool creates realistic voiceovers from text. Voice recording normally requires a microphone, recording software, and editing. The AI then generates clear and natural audio. This audio can be used for videos, presentations, online courses, or advertisements. Content creators often combine this tool with video tools to automate the entire production process. The last tool worth trying is Notion AI. This tool helps organize ideas, notes, and tasks. Notion AI helps summarize notes, generate ideas, and organize projects in one place. For example, someone planning a blog can store research, create content outlines, and track tasks in a single workspace. These tools show how much work AI can simplify. Tasks that once required a team can now be done by one person. Pick one tool and practice using it every day. Once you become comfortable, you can combine several tools together. This allows you to create faster, work smarter, and build systems that save time. Technology keeps improving every year. The people who learn these tools early often gain the biggest advantage. Instead of working harder, they learn how to work smarter.